Hi, this is Dr. Natalie Cordova. Today we're going to do the hip rotators. So this is called the figure 4 stretch. You want to get in a comfortable position on the ground, laying with your back on the floor, bringing your knees up towards you. You're going to take the right leg, bring the right ankle over the left knee, and you're rotating out your leg so the knee is away from your body. You're stretching and you're rotating, and you can feel all of those. You're bringing in the left knee and you're holding it there for 1 minute. You should be able to really feel that, and the closer you get to your body, bringing in both of those legs, the deeper that stretch is, and you really can feel that. If it's uncomfortable, you can just back off a bit and hold it there for 1 minute. Now you can also switch to the other side. Same thing, left ankle is over touching the front of the right knee, and then you're bringing in the right thigh toward your body, stretching out the hip flexor or hip rotator on the left side. Hold that there for 1 minute, and that's it.